Let's open it. All right, so first impressions is that it's a very, very large box. Actually, every time that like figures arrive, I'm always taken aback by how big the boxes are, because like, I don't know, they're big. So let's get the tape off of here.
In my excitement, I realize I forgot to give a proper intro to this. This is the Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic Bastila Shan Gallery Diorama by Gentle Giant Ltd.
Oh, she's pretty. Oh, I can already see her. I can already see her. Okay. Oh, there's gonna be packing peanuts everywhere. All right, displacement, displacement. Can I get, all right, the new title of this is going to be Bastila Shan Unboxing. Can Catherine get through this without crying? Challenge. I was a little scared when I saw the box because there was a big shipping box, but she's actually just about this big. So let's bring her in for a closer look, because let's get this big box out of the way. Let's trade. All right, she is out of the shipping box now. There's packing peanuts, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and get her. I'd say let's get her open, but let's just do a quick tour of the box really quickly. This is a Diamond Select Toys Gentle Giant Ltd. She opened for pre-orders about a year ago in August. But it's our girl, it's Bastila. Look at that. This gallery statue of Bastila Shan is made of high quality PVC and is based on her appearance in the video game Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic. Indeed. All right, let's open her. Let's open her. I'm always a little nervous opening packages like this because it's like, bested by tape. Okay, I'll admit that when I was going to be opening her, I had all these plans to talk about like what the character meant to me and just how wild and weird and wonderful it is to be like opening Bastila merch in like 2023. But I'm just honestly like stunned, speechless. At this point, I can't even focus on anything other than Bastila, so let's show the figure. Here she is, just fresh out of that blister bag. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. It's been 20 years with this franchise, and like, look at where we are. We have Bastila merch. Also, this is so many childhood dreams coming true right now. When I was little, like little Catherine, I wanted to be a Star Wars museum. And like, I thought that if I did a good job collecting and I like got my little grubby nerd hands on every piece of Star Wars that I could find in my little town, that someday like George Lucas would notice me and I'd be a Star Wars museum. And one of the like things that I always dreamt of like owning were Sideshow collectibles, Gentle Giant collectibles, like the like collector's thing. Like this is a grown-up thing. Like this is beyond a toy. Like we all joke like they're not dolls, they're action figures, but it's like no, this is like beyond action figure. This is a statuette. I don't know. There's something really fun about this size. They're not something ginormous you have to find space for, but on the other hand, she's bigger than action figures. She's bigger than, you know, some of the smaller ones and has a really great presence. I love the dynamic pose. I love that she's being a bit of a badass, but like she's also elegant. She's also Bastila. And it's not like forced and it's not overly like sexualized or anything. So she's powerful because she is. I like that we have the temple guard droid. I like that there's enough of like the base scenery. Also, this is a really like stable figurine. Like of course, I'm not going to drop her, but I feel like I can show y'all without like anything coming loose. There's a good amount of detail on her, from her outfit down to the like base plate here, down to like the transparent parts that come through. Like it's got this very much like, she's in action. You can switch out the blades if you prefer the more stable blade. I don't know, I'm a sucker for the like whooshy moving lightsaber bits that have been like kind of popular with the newer like the 1/6 scale figurines. So I like that it's got the whooshy lightsabers, and honestly, I think it's a neat trick, but I like that they did give you the other ones in case that's not your style. But she's beautiful. I'm really, really excited about this. I want to pull out my costume. Not to say see how well I did, but if anybody knows if anybody knows KOTOR, if anybody knows Bastila Shan, if anybody has looked at her character design as extensively as cosplayers do, you know that like the base art, the game art on the the cover doesn't necessarily match the in-game render, which doesn't necessarily match the like MMO art. And so just as a cosplayer, as somebody who values trying to get things screen accurate, it's interesting to see what's been decided on as canon for her outfit between this and the Black Series figure, which I believe comes out really soon as well. So we are eating well, Bastila fans. We are finally getting our merch. It's taken 20 years, but that's okay. That's okay.
Let's take her outside into the sunlight so we can see those delightful transparent details there. I'm really happy with this figurine. I really love the way that they captured the details, especially on her tabard. I love seeing her whole costume out in this format of figurine. It's great to see it. I'd love for them to do a matching Revan and Malik piece with this, and honestly, anyone and everyone from the crew of the Ebon Hawk. I'm really glad I purchased this figurine, and may the Force be with you. I'm Catherine Everything, and we like to say around here that the bus's doors are always open, and you're welcome on board the bus anytime. If you like what we do here, please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.